How to find your seed prospects. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to find your seed prospects, which is one of the most major things in getting started with your website and building your backlinks. So let's get into what seed prospects basically are and how you can get your website off the ground with seed prospects and how SEO optimization and link building go hand in hand. So let's get started with finding seed prospects. So what are seed prospects and what is link building? It is all so complicated, and you might be wondering, hey, do I really even need this at this point where SEO optimization is so focused on? Do I really need seed prospects or link building cheat sheets or any of that stuff? Well, prospecting is a very, very essential thing, and seed prospects are simply people who link to a page for a specific reason. For example, maybe they linked because a specific point that was made in the content is what they searched for, like a brand or something else. So let's say that I have this Wix website over here, and someone searches for a bag name. So maybe someone searched for I'm a product. So that's a very odd name, but let's say someone searched for I'm a product, and that would be a search result, and that would be the reason that they have connected to this specific page. Now, finding seed prospects is important because it will do two things for you. First off, you will understand why people are linking to a page. So why are people, if I see that this page has higher viewership than the rest of my website, why are people more likely to visit this page? And secondly is because you know why, you'll able to approach them in your outreach page. So if you are able to understand why people are visiting this page instead of the other pages, you're going to be able to market this page or create similar pages of this fashion and get more customers or clients to your website. Now let's get into some examples, because one of the most important skills for a prospector is when it comes to finding your seed prospect. So it is the ability to identify patterns. So if I have my website over here, then what I would do is I would go into the marketing and SEO to view what the actual analytics of my website are, and to be able to identify what are some of the essential highs and lows that are going up on my website. So a reason for the common linking of a commodity among the linking pages. So let's say you're looking for patterns in three places when you're analyzing a competing page's link profile. And these are going to be the context of the backlinks, which help you understand why people are linking to a page. And then you will have the anchors and surrounding text. Then you have what type of pages that they are coming from, and the referring page titles, which tell you what links they are coming from, and the actual content, which will tell you what your email pitch will be based on. So these are three essential things. Now, if you go into your marketing and SEO over here, you're going to do that with your own page as well as other pages. And you can use tools like Ahrefs, which starts at 99 USD. And you have a lot of powerful tools such as Keyword Explorers. You have Site Audit, Site Explorers, which will give you detailed analytics on competing links as well. Now, let's better understand why people are linked on a certain page. So this often, when you're looking at the why, it could be considered as a linkable point. So when, let's say, we created our SEO stats page, we looked at the anchors for the profile on the top ranking pages. So if you're looking to create a website for a specific item, like a purse website, what you would do is search for purse website or shop purses on the top search results on Google. So you would actually search this to see the top performing links and then view what those websites are doing. And most of these links are attributed to specific stats that were mentioned, and that was a pattern. So let's say we just search for purses for women, and now you can see these are some of the top websites over here. And what you're going to do is when you see these top websites, you're going to identify what is common, and you're going to name that as the anchor. Let's say that they have designer handbags, or a specific item that is common within all of these is purses, women, or some of these larger enterprises are obviously going to be on the top pages. Go into the second page or third page to see what they are doing. You can see that a lot of them just have the title and a brand name with this kind of anchor. Now, this is not going to be a specific pitch angle for your email marketing, but it is pretty easy to notify and identify a pattern when it comes to your seed building. And then once you do that, a lot of things are going to be mentioned constantly, like handbags. So let's say that you are going to pitch your email marketing for a client someone that you are looking to collaborate with, you would be, hey, we have optimized our website to focus on the purses instead of the brand, and so on and so forth. So moving on, you have the referring page titles. So for a competing pages backlink. So this is a purse website. If I go on to purses over here and I open up a purse website over here, then I would be competing with this website. So I am in competition with this kind of website, and that is very essential to understand for you to be able to go on ahead and take a look at the referring page titles. And you can use the Ahrefs tool. You have a lot of other tools as well, such as Respana and other link building websites that would help you in getting competitor analytics. So from these anchors, you're going to identify the main anchors that you are missing on your website from the competition, and you're also going to take a look at the titles and surrounding keywords. So they have things like new arrivals. Maybe I don't have that on my website. So these are anchors that I am missing on my own website. Now, after that, you also have to look for the content pattern. So you can see the content pattern over here is not very good. The products are not named, and on the competitor website, you have tote bag, crossbody bag, crossbody bag. So the pattern over here is pretty simple. It's the fact that they have each of the purse names or item names, they have added the category within the title, and that is one amazing way to pass off keyword optimization. So that is another tool or another idea you might not have thought of essentially when you got started, but now you actually have the competitor analysis, and once you do that, you can actually take a look at what they are doing and replicate that over your own website. So in the past, there were also Lsi keywords, and these are totally latent semantic indexing. It's totally outdated now, but a lot of people used to use that. So this used to be like keywords, which are not actually keywords, and that are just added within the text for the website to rank higher. So people would actually use this to rank their website higher. So these are semantically related keywords, and these used to be super essential. However, now they are not as essential as link building or seed prospect. So that is another thing that you need to take a look at. But these also just help you in general keyword optimization. And you might be wondering what is more essential, LSI or Google keywords. Google has confirmed that LSI keywords don't exist, so you no longer have to worry about the LSI keywords as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.